Hey everyone! I'm diving into a topic today that might raise a few eyebrows and certainly sparks a lot of heated discussion. Why did the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, appoint President Mnangagwa as chairman despite allegations of election rigging in Zimbabwe? Let's untangle this complex web of politics. First off, understanding the SADC's role is crucial. This organization aims to promote sustainable and equitable economic growth and socio-economic development in the Southern African region. So leadership within SADC holds significant influence. Now let's talk about President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Coming into power after a coup in 2017, Mnangagwa's presidency has been controversial, marked by accusations of election tampering. The 2018 elections, which supposedly solidified his presidency, were flagged by numerous observers, including a report from SADC's own election observation mission, which hinted at irregularities. So, why would SADC appoint someone surrounded by such controversy? There are a couple of layers here. One perspective suggests that politics within these regional blocs can be about strategic alliances and less about democratic values. Mnangagwa, despite his dubious record, might have been seen as a strong leader who could enforce the collective interests of the region. Another layer could be the principle of sovereignty and non-interference, which is highly valued in international relations, especially in regional communities like SADC. Member states might prefer to avoid setting a precedent where they intervene or criticize the internal affairs of their neighbors, maintaining a delicate balance of diplomacy and mutual respect. Additionally, it's important to consider the economic and political stability Mnangagwa could ostensibly bring to the region despite the controversies. Stability often trumps the need for democratic purity, especially in regions fraught with conflicts and instability. In conclusion, SADC's decision to appoint Mnangagwa could be seen as a pragmatic, albeit controversial choice, reflecting the complex interplay of politics, diplomacy, and regional strategy. It's a reminder of the tough decisions that often have to be made on the international stage, where ideals sometimes meet the hard ground of real politics. Thanks for tuning in. Understanding these dynamics helps us get a clearer picture of the political landscape in Southern Africa and beyond. Stick around for more insights into the intriguing world of politics.